Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can update and upgrade your older car sound system, your older OEM system from the factory that is completely outdated, and we're going to bring it up to date by adding Bluetooth to it. So essentially, your car will be as smart as your new smartphone by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Let me show you how it's done. All you got to do is set your radio. Get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get my device, and all you got to do is set your radio to 87.9. That's all you have to do. Then simply get my device and connect it to your car radio and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth music to your older OEM sound system with the navigation or without navigation. In this case, we have this completely outdated navigational system, but you don't need to replace or remove this original radio system. All you gotta do is connect my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect Gizmo Guy Gadget to your car for power, and then you're ready to go. You'll be able to make your older car as smart as your new smartphone simply by connecting the device from Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply connect Gizmo Guy Gadget to your car for power, and then you're ready to pair it to your car radio. This way, you'll be able to enjoy, number one, streaming music from your phone right through your car. Number two, talk hands-free. Number three, GPS navigational functionality from your smartphone right through your older car sound system. You can fire up apps, GPS apps like Waze to get real-time traffic. So you'll be able to stream music and talk hands-free, as well as enjoy GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older car sound system without a new head unit or any kind of modification to this radio. All you got to do is connect my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com to your car and set your radio to 87.9. Then you're ready to enjoy streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone right through your older car factory radio OEM sound system. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can add Bluetooth capability to any older car outdated system to bring it up to date, so that way your car sound system will be as smart as your new smartphone, and you do not need to get a new radio. You do not need to modify this head units. Everything you can keep everything exactly the way it is, but enjoy Bluetooth capability. So you'll be able to bring your car system up to date without buying a new car. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can add Bluetooth capability to your older car sound factory system. Okay? Your old radio can add Bluetooth. You can have Bluetooth capability to your old car radio just by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Mary from Southern Florida, and I want to tell you about my experience. I purchased a Gizmo Guy Gadget to enable my 2004 Lexus to be Bluetooth compatible. This product was very easy to install. I'm not a technical person, but the directions were very simple. When I first got it, I wasn't able to match up any frequency in my area, so I contacted Wesley, who promptly responded to me and assisted me in finding the right frequency. He also kept in contact with me throughout to make sure that the product was working correctly and I was satisfied. I would highly recommend this product. It really delivers what it says it does. Not only that, but his customer service is excellent. Thank you, Wesley.